Hello, it's day 24. It's Christmas Eve. It's the last day of our Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Gareth Moore.
I'm Laura Jane.
We're puzzle and brain training
I'm a bit
authors.
sad that it's over.
And yes, it's been an amazing calendar. And
It's
yesterday we
so
discovered
good.
that day 24 was here. In the 24th episode of
Green.
Taskmaster, Series 4, Episode 8, Tim Key made an appearance as an officiant for Noel's duck wedding. Oh my goodness.
Gorgeous.
This calendar's all about ducks. Day 24, you found little Alex Horn just in time for Christmas. He was in the hutch all along. What hutch? I don't see a hutch, but anyway. Have a very Merry Christmas. Your time starts now.
Oh, how lovely. And we've got a little letter.
There's something in here which
I want to open all the doors that we haven't opened after this.
Surprise! I got bored of waiting for you, so I found a new hiding place. I could be anywhere. You'll have to dismantle the calendar to find me. You may only use your non-dominant hand. That's nice. I'm not going to worry about that for now. Fastest wins. Your time starts now. Alex brackets little.
Great.
And inside the room, whatever that is.
It's so great.
So we opened this door by accident earlier.
We did.
And it
Are there
was
any other doors
someone
that we
sitting
haven't
on
opened?
the toilet.
We've
I think.
opened all the main doors.
We read this out on the previous day. It says get
did.
out. Are all the other doors open on here?
Yes, got them all.
Yeah,
Let's
we did
open some
find something
secret
that-
doors, and
Yeah.
then let's just take the box apart.
Where's
Open.
Alex? How about opening the door that says,
Where's
where's
Alex?
Alex? Is it open here?
Anywhere.
He's not here. We've opened this
We opened
camel.
the camel. What about the other camel?
Yeah, we haven't opened this camel.
I enjoyed the one that just said.
Well, if this is awkward, try the other one. That is awkward if you tried that. Is he hiding here? Nope.
Just a
I was off the camera, sorry,
circle.
but is he hiding here? Nope, just a circle.
I'm loving this.
On the underneath, we've done
done
the
the hidden
hidden.
task. Done the.
I just whacked my other camera.
done
We
the Christmas
haven't
tree.
opened and nothing to see here. That we've done all those.
It said we'll have to
And there's
dismantle the
nothing down
calendar.
the-
So shall we?
Open it up.
Shall we get in? He could be anywhere. Oh, there's already some text there.
Showing up.
Yeah.
It's quite hard to get out. Oh, there we go. I got it out in the end.
Oh, great! This way up, weather vane. Alex hasn't been here, but even if he had been, I wouldn't tell you. Are you still looking? It's nearly Christmas.
This way up. That's hilarious.
Legend has it he's so little
Oh.
he could fit in Greg's pocket.
Legend has it he's so little he could fit in Greg's pocket. What's on the other end? Oh, the whole calendar just fallen out. What does that say? I can't see it on the camera. Hang on a second. Should you...
Should you be in here?
Okay.
Hard to say. There's there's loads.
Have you seen him? Keep looking. He must be around here somewhere. Plenty of nooks and crannies to look in.
This is so great.
He's presumably under the edge of the box here. He might have been here a minute ago, but he's not now.
Something
look.
about Greg's pocket. Haven't we got a picture of Greg on the back of the calendar?
So I thought maybe he was under here. What was this? The
How much
underneath,
do we want to
underneath
take
of
it
the
apart?
rooms.
He's not in there.
Let's move that a second. Is he under the flaps? Oh,
This
it's
is.
getting a bit silly now.
I have loved this advent calendar.
Whoever designed this was a genius.
much.
Oh, yay!
Yay!
It's little Alex Horn, you found me. Have a very Merry Christmas.
That
There we
was
go.
great.
And we happened to find him last as well.
Yes.
Which was quite amazing. So that's the inside of the calendar here.
We've taken the
With
whole
all
thing
the rooms.
apart.
And after all, it's like an
There's no
explosion of
repeats.
calendar bits. But there we go. Well, I hope
was
you enjoyed that as much as we did.
So much fun. What do you think?
So much fun. That's, well, amazing.
I think that's my favourite advent calendar that I've seen.
Yeah, it's so much fun. And the puzzles are really well judged, I would say.
And also for people who don't watch
Taskmaster, the
Taskmaster,
Advent
totally
calendar.
fair,
Yeah.
totally fun.
Apart from anagramming comedians, but the comedians are like generally known anyway, not just for the
Yeah.
show. So that was fair. There was one day we had to do that.
Oh, I feel all warm and fuzzy
Well,
inside.
there we go. Well, happy Christmas to you, particularly if you're watching this on Christmas Eve.
Merry
For
Christmas.
tomorrow. It's a bit late to buy presents if you're watching it on the Christmas Eve 2025. But if you're still looking for that present with a special someone, why not check out some of our puzzle books? Have a look on my website, drgarethmoore.com as well. You can always buy them, for a New Year present or an Epiphany present.
Subtle
Or a
plug.
birthday, or just because, it's a Tuesday.
Because you can.
Yeah. We also do lots of other escape room type videos. I'd call this an escape room game because it's not always clear what you're doing. And we have sold loads of things. So check out some of the links on the channel as well. Subscribe if you enjoyed this. We'd love to have you with us in the longer term. And do please like this video if you enjoyed it.
And most importantly, have a very Merry Christmas.
A very Merry Christmas. But until I see you again in a future video, possibly a past video, all it remains is for me to say goodbye.
And for me to say goodbye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.